What if I told you there are cars out there that laugh in the face of your mechanic's retirement fund? Look, we've all been there. That sinking feeling when your check engine light comes on. The anxiety of whether your car will start on a cold Monday morning. But what if you could just drive? No drama, no breakdowns, no expensive surprise repairs. Today, we're counting down the 8 most bulletproof cars you can buy. Vehicles so reliable, they make Swiss watches look unreliable. These are the cars that'll still be running when the apocalypse comes. Let's dive in. Car number 8, Mazda MX-5 Miata. Starting our list with something that proves reliability doesn't have to be boring, the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Now, I know what you're thinking. A sports car? Reliable? But here's the thing. The Miata has been proving doubters wrong since 1989. This little roadster has one of the best track records in the automotive world, and there's a reason you see so many high-mileage examples still carving up canyon roads. The secret? Simplicity. No complicated turbochargers, no fancy dual-clutch transmissions. Just a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, a bulletproof manual gearbox, and rear-wheel drive fun. Mazda's obsession with lightweight engineering means fewer parts to break, and the parts that are there are built to last. Owners regularly report crossing 200,000 miles with nothing more than regular maintenance. Car number 7, Honda Accord. Honda Accord is the dependable colleague who shows up on time every single day for 30 years. The Accord has been a reliability icon since it landed in America, and for good reason. Honda's engineering philosophy centers around one word: longevity. They're not chasing horsepower numbers or 0 to 60 times. They're building cars that start every morning and run forever. Generations from the 1990s through the 2000s are particularly legendary. The 1998 to 2002 sixth generation, practically indestructible. The K-Series engines from the 2003 to 2007 models, they're known to cruise past 300,000 miles like it's nothing. We're talking about cars that treat 250,000 miles like it's barely broken in. Consumer Reports consistently rates the Accord at the top of their reliability rankings, and J.D. Power gives it top marks year after year. Bottom line, if you want a mid-size sedan that'll outlast your mortgage, the Accord is your answer. Car number 6, Subaru Outback. Rolling in at number 6 is the car that's become the unofficial vehicle of adventure seekers who also value their bank account, the Subaru Outback. Now, Subaru's reputation has had its ups and downs, particularly with head gasket issues in older models. But the modern Outback, especially from 2015 onwards, is a different beast entirely. Subaru learned from their mistakes, and the result is a vehicle that combines go-anywhere capability with stay-on-the-road reliability. The boxer engine design, once a source of problems, has been refined to the point where it's now one of the platform's strengths. The symmetrical all-wheel drive system is mechanically simple compared to competitors, which means fewer failure points. Owners regularly report 200,000 plus miles with minimal issues beyond routine maintenance. Whether you're commuting to work or camping in the mountains, the Outback just works. And it keeps working, year after year, mile after mile. Car number 5, Toyota Camry. If we're talking about reliability, we have to talk about Toyota. And the crown jewel of Toyota's dependability lineup is the Camry. This isn't the most exciting car on our list, and Toyota knows it. But you know what? When you're 15 years and 300,000 miles into ownership, and you've spent exactly 0 nights stranded on the side of the road, excitement takes on a whole new meaning. The Camry is legendary for a reason. Toyota's build quality is obsessive. They test components to destruction, then build them even stronger. The result is a car where major failures are so rare, they make the news when they happen. We're talking about a vehicle where the most common problem reported by owners is boredom. Every generation of Camry has been rock solid, but certain years stand out. The 1997 to 2001 models with the legendary 5SFE engine are practically invincible. The 2007 to 2011 generation with the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, same story. Even the modern 2018 plus models are already showing exceptional durability. Consumer Reports calls it one of the most reliable cars they've ever tested. Car number 4, Lexus ES. Now we're getting into luxury territory, but don't worry, this luxury won't cost you a fortune in repairs. The Lexus ES is essentially a Camry in a tuxedo, and that's the highest compliment I can give. Lexus was created with one mission: to prove that luxury doesn't have to mean unreliability, and the ES is the purest expression of that philosophy. It takes Toyota's legendary dependability, wraps it in premium materials, adds a silky smooth V6, and delivers an ownership experience that makes German luxury seem masochistic. The ES shares its platform and powertrain with the Camry, which means you're getting that bulletproof Toyota engineering underneath, and the numbers back it up. Car number 3, Toyota Tacoma. Climbing into our top 3, we have the truck that's so reliable, it's become a meme: the Toyota Tacoma. The Tacoma is legendary, particularly among people who actually use their trucks for real work. Construction workers, off-roaders, adventurers, they all swear by the Tacoma, because when you're 50 miles from civilization, mostly reliable isn't good enough. You need bulletproof. The second generation, 2005 to 2015, with the 4.0-liter V6, is particularly renowned. That engine is virtually indestructible. Car number 2, Honda Civic. Taking our second spot is the car that's been making mechanics question their career choices since 1973, the Honda Civic. The Civic is more than just reliable. It's a cultural phenomenon. It's the car that launched 1 million high school commutes, college adventures, and first-time car owner experiences. And the reason so many people have Civic stories is simple: they all survived long enough to tell them. Car number 1, Toyota 4Runner. And our number 1 most bulletproof vehicle you can buy is the Toyota 4Runner. The 4Runner is the ultimate expression of Toyota's reliability philosophy taken to its logical extreme. They found a formula that works: the legendary V6 or V8 engines, a solid frame, proper four-wheel drive, and simple, proven technology, and they refuse to change it. While everyone else chases trends, Toyota said, "This works," and kept building it. So there you have it. 8 vehicles that'll still be running when everything else is in the junkyard. From the fun-loving Miata to the apocalypse-ready 4Runner, these are the cars that prove reliability doesn't have to mean boring. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automotive deep dives, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Remember, life's too short for unreliable cars. Choose wisely, maintain regularly, and drive forever.